Right, point-to-multipoint. With regards to the MetroLinq point-to-multipoint product range, you have the option of 3 different base stations, each with their own specific application and purpose. First off, as you can see here on the screen, we have the MetroLinq 62.5G beamforming sector. As the name indicates, it features an aggregate throughput of 2.5 gigabits per second, and it has a 120-degree sector on 60 gigahertz that employs beamforming technology. On that sector, there are 16 individual beams of 10 degrees each. The sector has a vertical beam width of 32 degrees, 16 degrees of which are upwards and 16 degrees of which are downwards. The antenna on 60 GHz and 5.8 GHz are 18 and 15 dBi in strength, respectively. It should be noted that this device can currently handle 16 clients on 60 GHz, which will be upgraded to 32 in the near future. This unit also has an SFP uplink, DC power input, as well as a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. Should you have a larger deployment that needs a 360-degree coverage, you can look at the IgniteNet 6010G tri-band Omni. Now, this unit specifically has the same 120-degree sector built into it, but it has 3 instead of just 1, which naturally covers the entire 360 degrees. On top of that, it also features 5.8 GHz failover in the form of 4 90-degree 12 dBi antennas, as well as 4 90-degree 9 dBi antennas on 2.4 GHz, as it is a tri-band unit, which allows for hotspot access and management and so forth. The unit can currently handle up to 48 clients on 60 GHz. This will be upgraded in the future, probably in Q3 2018, to 96 CPEs. It has a 1 gigabit Ethernet port for PoE inputs, as well as a 10 gig SFP plus uplink for data. And then additionally, it also has DC power input, so you can run it off of solar power. The unit includes a 48 volt passive PoE power injector, as well as a mounting bracket. Then lastly, we have the smallest base station / CPE of the bunch, which is the IgniteNet MetroLinq 60LW. Now, this unit, as I said earlier, can function both as a lightweight base station, or it can function as a short distance CPE. As a base station, it features a 120-degree beamforming sector antenna that can handle 16 clients. In CPE mode, beamforming allows for easy self-alignment, so you can effectively point it in the general direction of the other base station, and it will align itself using one of the beams. Like the 10G Omni, this unit is also tri-band, and as such has a 2.4 GHz radio that can be configured as an access point for various applications. This unit also features DC input, gigabit PoE Ethernet, and an SFP uplink. Then lastly, there's also the ML5LW. It's the same as a 60LW, it just lacks the 60 GHz radio. This makes it a more cost-effective option for your longer distance clients. Then, with regards to the CPEs and distances, with the 35 centimeter ML60, you can expect to see point-to-multipoint distances of about 700 meters to either one of the 3 base stations that we have discussed. With the 19 centimeter, you can achieve distances of up to 400 meters to those same base stations. And with the LW or lightweight unit, you'll do about 150 meters to the Omni or to another LW. When you are in base station mode and either connecting the 19 centimeter or the 35 centimeter, you can expect to see 400 and 700 meters of distance respectively. The ML5, however, will do distances up to about 2 kilometers to its respective base stations on 5 gigahertz only.